So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, dear viewers. I welcome you all to my new channel, Fluent Odisha. If you belong to Odisha and having trouble in learning English, then this channel is for you. You are on the right channel. This channel will teach you spoken English and definitely help you to boost your confidence and to go ahead positively and fast in this English journey, guys. So today in this video, we are going to learn some daily use common phrasal verbs. You know that sometimes it is challenging to learn these phrasal verbs than simple verbs. But there are some sentences without phrasal verbs, those are very tricky to make. But when we use phrasal verbs, it becomes very easier. So today, here you can see I have written 15 phrasal verbs which are commonly used in our day-to-day life. तो तुम्हें देखिथिबो गाधोइबा बा गाधेइबा take a bath, very simple. Then उठिबा simple. Then पोशाक पिंधिबा, these are very simple. हेले जेते बेले जण को करेबाटा काम आसे निदरु ताको उठेइबा या जण को गाधोइ देबा या जण को प्रस्तुत करेबा तो सही समय तुम केमिते यूज करिवो. Of course that time you will get difficulties to make that or form that sentences. But here I am here to help you out from this difficult situation. You don't need to do any hard work. Just watch this video till the end and to leave your doubt in the comment box. I mean, write your doubts in the comment box. I'm 24/7 ready to help you out. So without any further delay, let's start. This video might be a little bit lengthy because I'm not going to tell you the English meaning of these phrasal verbs, but I'm going to make sentences as well using these phrasal verbs so that you could get clarity over these phrasal verbs, and in future if you get to use these words, then you will not have problem. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Watch happily. So well everyone, so our first phrasal verb is nidaru uthiba. Nidaru uthiba, wake up. Wake up. Very simple word, everybody knows it. So let's make one simple sentence. mu 6টারে উঠে. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Then our second phrasal verb is nidaru jonku utheba. এটা বহুত সিম্পল थिला उठिबा. निजे उठिबा we wake up. बट जेतेले जनक उठेबार को सेंटेंस आसे लिटिल बिट ट्रिकी हो जाए, किंतु बहुत सिंपल. निदरु जनक उठेबा, wake someone up. जो एटी इंटू चिन्ह देछि, जो फेल चिन्ह देछि, एटी हमें से लोकर ना यूज करिबा, नाउन हेताबा प्रोनाउन हेताबा हेथै पारु. तो एगो चलो बेटर बुझिबा हमें सेंटेंस रे. ताकू निदरु उठाओ माने एठारे आउ जण को उठैबारो सेंटेंस अछि. तो केमिति बनेबा, वेक जो इनटू जगह रे हिम या हर, जदि पो होइतेबो हिम, जे होइतेबो हर. वेक हिम हर अप. Wake him or up. Wake him up, wake him up, or wake her up. Very simple. When it comes to wake someone up, you can use this phrasal verb, wake him up or wake her up. जदि एठारे किछि गोटे नाउन थिबो, जदि एडी जदि प्रॉपर नाउन थिबो, राम को उठाओ, किछि नाही, बहुत सिंपल. Wake Ram up. Wake Ram up. Our third phrasal verb is बिछणार उठिबा. डिफरेंस होचे, देयर आर डिफरेंसेस. निदर उठिबा आ बिछणार उठिबा. निदर उठिबा माने जते हम सोई थाउ, जस्ट वी ओपन आवर आईज, जस्ट खाली हमें हमर आंखी खोलु, किंतु आंखी खोली कि हमें हठात उठी न थाउ, किछि समय बेड रे रहि थाउ, किछि मोबाइल भी देखि थाउ, तापरे हमें बेड उठी किना हमें बाहर को जाई थाउ. तो वेक अप बा वेक समवन अप माने होचे जस्ट आखि खोलिबा और बेड रे हेतेबा. बट ए बिछणार उठियार माने होचे जेतेडे तमे बिछणार उठी के अलगा आडे जाओ. तारो इंग्लिश कोन, गेट अप. गेट अप जेते तुम बिछोना छाड़ के अलग आड़े जाओ सेते बेले तुम यूज करबा गेट अप। चलो किसी सेंटेंस बनेबा। मो 5टा रे आखि खोलिली और 5:30 रे बिछोना रे उठिली माने 5टा रे मोर निद भांगिला किंतु मो 5:30 रे बिछोना रे उठिली माने बिछोना छाड़ी ही मो बाहर को गली। सो हाउ आई कैन मेक इट इन इंग्लिश? दिस सेंटेंस बिलोंग्स टू पास्ट सिंपल। I woke up at 5 o'clock and got up at 5:30 o'clock. Means मोर 5टा रे निद भांगिला किंतु 5:30 रे मु बेड रु उठिली। Very simple. So now let's move on to our fourth number phrasal verb. So सही सेम ही निदर जण को उठेबा जातिला तपर एटे बिछोना रे उठेबा आ बिछोना रे जण को उठेबा जणे सुइची ताको बिछोना रे उठाओ सही सेम वे ही बनेबा get someone up। खाली गेट अप मझरे तमे गुटे माने नाउन टिकु ऐड करिवो गेट समवन अप। लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड इट बाय एग्जांपल। बिछोना सजाडिबा। When we wake up or get up in the morning or in the afternoon or in the evening, then our bed is not in a proper way. So we have to set that. So for that, which phrasal verb we have to use? Let's see. Bichona sojadba, make the bed. Make the bed. Rina bichona to sojadi diyo. Rina is the name of a girl. She might be our sister or friend or whoever that is. So how we can make it? If you are requesting, then you can use here please as well. Make the bed please. So dear viewers, if you are still watching this video, then you must be an enthusiastic English learner. So if you want to continue your English learning dedicatedly, then please subscribe to this channel and leave comment whatever doubts you have and whatever thoughts is going on in your mind. Because in this video I am going to bring all types of sentences and English words and whatever that is included in this English language, which will help you to enhance your spoken English. So let's continue it. हाथ मुह धोइबा, freshen up. Freshen up. Freshen up means हाथ मुह धोइबा. Let me wash my hands and legs. This is simple, but this is called phrasal verb and more formal and it looks like more advanced. That is why we have to use this freshen up to make our English advanced and clear. मते हाथ मुह धोइबा को दियो. Very simple. Let me freshen up. Let me freshen up. So our number 7 phrasal verb kadhoiba, which is very simple, you all know, use only take a bath. Take a bath. See aji gadho nahi because it is winter season, so it's very cold out there, so he is not taking a bath. से आजे गाधो नाही. He is not taking a bath today. Then our number 8 phrasal verb गाधोई देवा माने जणको गाधोई देवा give into means give someone a bath ए into जगह हमें से लोकर वा से जहा को भी हमें गाधोई देवा तार ना ना रे मेंशन करिबा मोर माथा को गाधोई देउचंती My mother is giving him a bath. Very simple. So, dear viewers, don't only watch this video, try to use these phrasal verbs in your day-to-day life. Because we remember so many words and sentences in our mind, but we don't use those. And only we keep searching how to enhance our English. So, if we don't practice, even if having so many words and sentences in our mind, and how we can speak this language, how we can remember those all words which we have remembered forever. So try to use in your sentences in your day-to-day life. Then prastuto heba, get ready. बहुत थर मु नोटिस करिसे जेते माने गोटे सेंटेंस अछि जदि हम बिगिनर होछु मु रेडी होउचे या से रेडी होउचे आई एम रेडिंग से रेडी टा को हमें वर्ब हिसाब रे नै जेता आई एम रेडिंग बट दिस इज टोटली इनकरेक्ट बट द करेक्ट वे टू मेक दिस सेंटेंस इज टू यूज गेट रेडी बिफोर दिस रेडी वी हैव टू यूज गेट रेडी से एपर्यंत प्रस्तुत होई नाही दिस सेंटेंस बिलोंग्स टू प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट so far here till now इतना by now जो ए कंजक्शन टिक भी तुम यूज करि पारिबो he has not got ready so far till now या by now ओके फाइन देन जणको प्रस्तुत करेबा से सेम वे रे बनेबा जस्ट से गेट रेडी मोजरा हमें से नाउन टिक हमें ऐड करिबा get someone ready can you identify dear viewers this sentence belongs to which tense by the way if you know then comment in the comment box I was getting him ready. I was getting him ready. Try to work on your fluency as well because our flow matters a lot in this English language. It impresses people and it helps to engage people in our speaking so well. Now we have to focus on our phrasal verbs only. So now our 11 number phrasal verb is posako pindhiba gote phrasal verb re gote word hoche get dressed very simple and easier and very impressive word as well posako pindhiba get dressed se posako pindhu chi पोशाक पिंधुची he is getting dressed पोशाक पिंधई देबा same here just after this get use that person's name get someone dressed but remember here after this get because this is a causative verb so we have to use third form of the verb after this get dressed तुमको तुमर मा पोशाक पिंधई देबे if you are watching till now then you have to translate this sentence because here I have written that phrasal verbs as well, but now you have to write and you have to translate these sentences in the comment box. I will check that and I will definitely correct and reply to your sentence. Then पिंधिबा, very simple पिंधिबा and खोलिबा. एडे मो ऐड करथिली खाली पोशाक पिंधिबा, किंतु एडी तमे किछि भी पिंधि पारो, तमे ड्रेस पिंधि पारो, तमे किछि भी तुम देहरे पिंधि पारो या तुम जोता पिंधि पारो. So it's up to you. पिंधिबा wear, खोलिबा take off. Let me write it properly. Take off. Take off, wear and take off. এটা আমি ইউজ করে put on, because here we are learning phrasal verb, so put on is phrasal verb while wear is the only verb. Take off, wear and put on. Don't pronounce it wear, because আমি initially আমার जो आरंभ रे मैं মানে যদি লেটার্স অনুসারে দেখিবা wear আমি প্রনাউন্স করি থাও, কিন্তু এটা টোটালি ইনকরেক্ট. Pronounce only wear. I am wearing dress. I wear dress. I wear pant. I wear shirt, like that. And instead of using this wear, you can use put on as well. So let's make sentences. तुमे ताहा पिंधो के, तमे on to go last step ले जाई पारिबो. Do you put that on? Do you put that on? Then I would wear. Do you wear that? Do you wear that? Then our last phrasal verb, take off. Take off. Mu taha kholi deichi. Take, took, taken. Taken is the third form of the take. I have taken off that. I have taken off that. I have taken that off. ये जो preposition टिको तुम last भी use करि पारिबो. So my dear Odisha viewers, today we completed 14 phrasal verbs and I give you one task as well. This तुमको तुम्हारा माँ पोशाक पिंधाई देबे. You have to translate this and comment in the comment box. So as I said in the middle of the video, don't only watch videos, means English videos, try to use in your day-to-day life so that you could remember it very perfectly. So if you are finding useful this video and informative, try to subscribe to this channel, because once you leave this channel and if you find interesting and if you realize later that that person was really speaking something good, then you may not find it, because this is not a popular channel, by the way. So do subscribe to learn spoken English in future and have a good fluency, by the way. And dear viewers, I know that you are watching this video and you belong to Odisha, but I don't know from which district are you. So please leave your location, where district you are from, by the way. So I hope that you learned it, and from today onwards you will start using these phrasal verbs and it will help you to strengthen your spoken English. So thank you so much for watching this video and let's meet on the next video. And one more thing, sorry for taking your most precious time. What type of videos you need? Try to comment. According to your desires, according to your needs, I will definitely bring those type of videos in a simple and very useful way, and that video will definitely help you in your spoken English, because I know I'm also an English learner and we have many types of difficulties and confusions. So to get rid of those confusions and doubts, I'm here to help you out. Do subscribe and do comment whatever doubts you have and what type of videos you need, by the way. So thank you so much once more.